Hello to all my viewers. This is Dr. Dhaval Maheta, and today we will understand how to run predictive model markup language (PMML) in support vector machine in KNIME. Support vector machine is a powerful and widely used machine learning algorithm that is used for both classification and regression problem. SVM is a discriminatory algorithm that separates the data into different classes by constructing a hyperplane or a set of hyperplanes in a high dimensional space. SVM works by finding the optimal hyperplane that maximizes the margin between the two classes, with the margin being the distance between the hyperplane and the closest data point from each class. I have already explained this diagram in my previous videos, kindly refer it. PMML provides a way for analytic applications to describe and exchange predictive models produced by data mining and machine learning algorithms. Now, how we can run this language, let's see in KNIME. So first of all, activate the input output from here. Activate the CSV reader. Double click on it. Browse the dataset. I've activated the CSV node as my dataset is in CSV format. Part 1, open, OK. Right click on it and execute. Again, right click on it and activate the file table. So this is a hard disease which we want to predict on the basis of gender, not on the basis of gender, age, blood pressure, cholesterol, and maximum hours of exercise. So it's necessary that we filter this variables. So I'll activate the column filter for this purpose. Right click on it and configure. Remove all other variables or take the variables on left hand side. Only include those variables from which the model is to be created. Age, resting blood pressure, cholesterol, maximum hours of exercise, and heart disease. Click OK. Right click on it and execute. Again, right click on it and you can see the filtered table. Now, I'll activate the SVM learner. Configure. Our heart disease is a target variable. Click OK. Right click on it and execute. Now you can right click on it and you can see the SVM view. SVM does not generate any equation just like linear regression or logistic regression. Once the learner is ready, we want to transfer this model to PMML language. So I'll activate the PMML writer. Configure. It'll ask me the destination where you want to save the model. So I'll say browse, D drive, and I'll give the name to this model as SVM. Save. Click OK. Right click on it and execute. Now you will open the new KNIME workflow. And this time you will activate the PMML reader. Double click on it and browse that model. So open, click OK, right click on it and execute. So with the help of PMML, you will be able to send the model to someone. Now I'll activate the input output from here. Read CSV reader. This time we'll consider the another data set. Browse, D drive, research methodology, predictive analysis. I will select KNIME where my data set is located. And this time I will select Heart1 test, open. It consists of only 10 observations. Right click on it and execute. Again, right click on it and see the file table. Activate the SVM predictor from here. So this predictor will get the data set from the CSV reader and it will get its learning from PMML reader. Configure. Again, that same two ticks. Click OK. Right click on it and execute. Again, right click on it and see the classification. So you can see the prediction according to the algorithm. And this is the original data set. So this is all about how to run PMML language in KNIME. For more videos on KNIME, kindly subscribe to my channel. You can follow me on LinkedIn and Twitter. Please refer my playlist in which I already uploaded many videos on KNIME.